Hello, little friends. It's Lucy here. Today, Lucy is going to explore a very special model with you, a place where many different worlds live together in one space. Here, we have a cool green forest with trees and animals. We also have a deep blue ocean where sea creatures are swimming. We can see a peaceful farm with little houses and fresh green gardens. And finally, there is a cold Arctic world with white ice and snow. All of these worlds come together in one single model. Now, let's watch, explore, and learn with Luxie. Let's get started. First, Lucy spreads pink sand to make the base for the farm. Next, Lucy uses small decorative beads to create borders between each area of the model. Then, Lucy makes the forest by spreading green sand on one side. The Arctic area is covered with a smooth layer of white snow to feel cold and icy. The ocean is made with blue expanding beads, packed closely to look like seawater. Lucy finishes the farm by placing a wooden house, green trees, a farmer figure, and a farm truck. Then Lucy adjusts all the pieces to look neat and balanced, so the four-world model feels lively and harmonious. In the forest, Luxie adds big trees, fake rocks, and small bushes, and places round wooden pieces to make little nature paths. In the Arctic, Lucy sets light blue ice blocks, sprinkles snowy pine trees, and arranges small stones to create a true frozen scene. In the ocean, Luxie decorates with colorful coral, seaweed, and underwater details to make the SeaWorld stand out. Yay! We finished this wonderful model. Now let's learn about the animals together. Stork. A stork is a tall bird with a slim body. It has very long legs and a pointed beak. Storks live near fields, ponds, and wetlands. They eat small fish and insects. Storks walk slowly when looking for food. When flying, they spread their wings beautifully in the sky. Ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Even though it has wings, it cannot fly. Ostriches live in grasslands and deserts. They eat grass and seeds. Ostriches run very fast with strong legs. Their eggs are very big. Hedgehog. A hedgehog is an animal with many sharp spines. The spines help protect its body. Hedgehogs live in forests and thick bushes. They eat fruit and plant roots. Hedgehogs are active at night. When scared, they curl into a ball. Brown bear. A brown bear is a very large animal. Its thick fur helps keep it warm. Brown bears live in forests and mountains. They eat both meat and plants. Bears are very strong. In cold seasons, they sleep through winter. Capybara. The capybara is an animal that lives near water. It has a round and chubby body. Capybaras live near rivers, lakes, and swamps. They eat grass. Capybaras are excellent swimmers. They usually live in groups. Squirrel. A squirrel is a small and quick animal. It has a long, fluffy tail. Squirrels live in trees in the forest. They eat nuts and fruit. Squirrels like to store food. They climb very fast. Gecko. A gecko is a small reptile. It can stick firmly to walls. Geckos live on trees and rocky walls. They eat insects. Geckos are active at night. Their skin color can change. Flying squirrel. A flying squirrel is a special kind of squirrel. It has a skin flap that helps it glide. Flying squirrels live in thick forests. They eat nuts and fruit. They are active mostly at night. They move very gently through the air. Pufferfish. A pufferfish has a round body. When it feels scared, it can puff up. Pufferfish live in the ocean. Some pufferfish are poisonous. They swim slowly. They eat small sea animals. Shark. A shark is a large hunting fish. It has very sharp teeth. Sharks live in the ocean. They swim fast and are very strong. Sharks have a great sense of smell. They hunt other fish. Jellyfish. A jellyfish has a soft body. Its body is clear and has no bones. Jellyfish float in the sea. Some jellyfish can sting. They move with ocean currents. They eat tiny sea creatures. triggerfish. A triggerfish has a flat body shape. Its mouth is small and hard. Triggerfish live in the ocean. They swim slowly and calmly. They eat sea plants. They have bright colors. Clownfish. A clownfish is a small orange fish. It has white stripes on its body. Clownfish live with sea anemones. They live in warm oceans. They swim quickly and easily. Clownfish are easy to recognize. Shrimp. A shrimp is a water animal. It has a long body and many legs. A hard shell protects its body. Shrimp swim by moving their tails. They eat tiny sea animals. Shrimp often live in groups. Sheep. A sheep is a gentle animal. It has thick and soft wool. Sheep live in grassy fields. They eat green grass. Sheep wool is used to make clothes. Sheep live in flocks. Goat. A goat is an animal with small horns. Goats are very good climbers. They live in hills and mountains. Goats eat grass and leaves. They are strong and active. Goats give healthy milk. Duck. A duck is a bird that lives near water. It has webbed feet. Ducks swim very well. They live in ponds and lakes. They eat grains and insects. Ducks live in groups. Chicken. A chicken is a common farm animal. It has a short and strong beak. Chickens live on farms. They eat grains and seeds. Hens lay eggs. Roosters crow in the morning. Rabbit. A rabbit is a small and gentle animal. It has very long ears. Rabbits live in underground burrows. They eat grass and vegetables. Rabbits can run very fast. They love to hop. Cow. A cow is a large farm animal. It has a strong body. Cows live on farms. They eat grass. Cows give milk and meat. They are very gentle. Snail. A snail is a very small animal. It has a hard shell on its back. Snails live in wet places. They move very slowly. Snails eat leaves. They like rainy days. Goose. A goose is a large bird. It has a long neck and strong body. Geese live near ponds and lakes. They swim very well. They eat grass and seeds. Geese make loud sounds. Cat. A cat is a friendly pet. It has soft fur. Cats live with people. They are good at catching mice. Cats like to sleep and rest. Cats say meow. Fox. A fox is a wild animal. It has a long, fluffy tail. Foxes live in forests. They hunt small animals. Foxes are very quick. They are active at night. Polar bear. A polar bear is a large bear. It has thick white fur. Polar bears live in icy places. They swim very well. They eat meat. They can handle very cold weather. Penguin. A penguin is a bird that cannot fly. It has a round body. Penguins live in cold places. They swim very well. They eat fish. Penguins live in groups. Wolf. A wolf is a wild animal. Wolves live in packs. They live in forests. Wolves hunt together. They run very fast. Wolves howl loudly. Walrus. A walrus is a large sea animal. It has long tusks. Walruses live in cold seas. They swim very well. They eat seafood. They rest on ice. Spotted seal. A spotted seal is a sea animal. It has spotted skin. Seals live near cold oceans. They swim very fast. They eat fish. They look very cute. So today, we learned about many amazing animals, from the forest, the ocean, the farm, and the Arctic. Every animal has its own special features and its own home. Looksy hopes you learned lots of fun things today. See you again in the next model with Looksy!